In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on Google Chats. If you want to clean up your chats, remove older messages, or simply manage your privacy a little better, Google Chat gives you a few different ways to do it. Before we begin, it's important to understand how this works. You can delete specific messages, remove an entire conversation from your chat list, or turn off chat history for a conversation. However, deleting a chat from your side only removes it from your view. The other person will still keep their own copy unless they delete it themselves. To get started, head over to your Google Chat home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your chats, direct messages, and other conversations. Once you're there, find the chat you want to manage and click to open it. If you only want to remove certain messages, move your cursor over the message you want to delete. When you hover over it, you'll see more options appear. Click the three-dot menu on that message to open the available actions. From there, click delete. This is the quickest way to remove an individual message from the conversation, especially if you only want to clear out a few specific parts instead of the whole chat. Another option is to turn off chat history for a conversation. To do that, open the chat and look at the top of the conversation window. Next to the person's details, click the drop-down menu. In that menu, select Turn Off History. This changes how the conversation is handled going forward and can be useful if you want messages in that chat to be less permanent. Just make sure you choose this intentionally, since it affects the conversation setting rather than removing messages one by one. If your goal is to remove the conversation entirely from your chat list, you can do that from the direct messages section. Locate the person's conversation in your list, then click the three dots next to their name. A menu will open with more options. Click Delete Conversation. This removes the conversation from your view and helps keep your Google Chat workspace organized. So to recap, Google Chat gives you three main ways to manage history: deleting individual messages, turning off history in a chat, or deleting a full conversation from your list. Each option serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best matches what you want to do. And that's how to delete history on Google Chat.